Professor Esila, the Director of the Operations Management Academy, and I'm here to introduce our new video series on value stream mapping. Right? We want to walk you through what is value stream mapping and the process itself, how to create the current state map, the future state map, and how to calculate all the indicators and help your organization improve processes. So make sure that you stay tuned, and I will talk to you later about that. Welcome to our series on key performance indicators for value stream mapping. Today's focus is on the total value stream processing time. So from our video of value stream map zone, we explained that the value stream map has 4 zones. The information flow zone, this one right here, the process zone, and the process data zone, and time ladder zone. All right. So the middle 2 zones, these two, right, which means the process zone and the process data zone, are also known as the material zone, MZ, right here. This approach reduces the number of zones from 4 to only 3 zones. So now, how do we calculate the total processing time of a value stream? This is also known as value adding time. We look at the 2 areas on the current state map, the data box and time ladder zone. Note that the total processing time of the value stream equates the cycle time as all steps flow continuously and process one part at a time. This is also known as a single piece flow or one piece flow. Right? So these are the 2 zones that we're going to use to calculate our total processing time. So now let's begin to calculate our value stream processing time. So to determine the processing time, we examine data box cycle time. So the SST here stands for cycle time, right? And then we will place on the corresponding part of the time ladder. So let's start with a shape as our process step here. So we note the cycle time here being 9 seconds. So we'll report that on the ladder, and then we move with our next one here. The next one being the laughing step here. This one, the laughing step. So then we add the laughing process steps cycle time of 66. We see here is 66, right? We also report that here. The first one was this one. We reported it here. And we'll continue now with the next step here, which is polish, right? The polish process step cycle time is also 66 for the polish. So we report that information here. Remember that we have already reported this information and that one too. So that is also 66 seconds. Is also recorded on the time ladder, right? So now we're going to move to the next one, which is the last one, painting step. This one has 105 seconds. So we will also report that here. We have already reported this on the time ladder zone. So we also report this 105 seconds, right? And then to find the total processing time for the entire value stream, to sum up the cycle times of all process steps, resulting in a total processing time of 246 seconds. This time is considered to be value adding, right? We call it the value adding time or value added time. So in our incoming videos, we will cover interpreting processing time versus the total lead time of your value stream. What does it tell us in terms of the value adding versus the non-value adding? That we will distinguish 2 types of non-value adding activity, the one that are necessary and the one that are not necessary. So we will also calculate the takt time, and we will interpret that in another video. And our third video will be about calculating the value stream capacity, right? And another video will be mapping a future state for services. So thank you for watching, and we will talk to you in another video. Bye bye.